How is it going, traders? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be breaking down a clean setup I took on NFP Friday trading good and using the Fractal Model. It was a solid win, and I'll walk you through exactly what I was seeing, how I managed the trade, and why it made sense from a narrative and a technical standpoint. So without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off with the daily chart, as this is where I always establish my narrative. I noticed price was trading above the weekly open, and on Thursday we formed the candle 2 closure with an ideal formation after taking out buy side liquidity above previous day's highs. And we also had an SMT divergence receiver at this high, which added more conviction to a bearish setup day. Also, I noticed we had a sell side liquidity resting below Tuesday's low, along with an unfilled fair value gap. So I used that as my potential target, and I marked out the equilibrium of previous day's range, expecting the wink of Friday's candle to form in the lower half of Thursday's range. So keeping that in mind, I dropped down to the hourly chart. Here on the hourly chart, I saw price retrace into the equilibrium of previous day's range above the daily opening price, just as anticipated. So London gave us a clean reversal confirmed with a change in state of delivery, and that had me thinking we might be setting up for London reversal to New York continuation profile. So I waited patiently for NFP news to drop, and right after the release at 9 a.m. price formed a continuation order block on the hourly, and that was my confirmation that price was ready to expand lower. So I dropped to the 5-minute chart to refine my entry, and just after 9 a.m. we formed a bearish swing point followed by a 5-minute change in state of delivery. We also had an SMT at this high. I forgot to annotate that. So I placed a sell limit at the retest of that change in state candle. My stop goes above the high, and I was aiming for 2R. And as you can see, the price expanded right into my 2R targets and also hitting my daily objective below Tuesday's low, just as anticipated. Clean risk, clean logic, everything lined up perfectly. And I actually share this trade execution in real time on my free Telegram channel. If you want to see my daily setup and execution, the link is in the description or in my bio. Feel free to join. And thank you for watching. Also, if you found this helpful, drop a like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more trade recaps like this. Catch you in the next one.